Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Star. In today's episode, we are diving deeper into Python's powerful for loops. We will building on what we learned last time and to introduction a new concept, the break statement. So let's get started. Remember our exercise from last time where we calculated the squares of numbers from 1 to 10? Let's write it again. For x in range 10, okay, print x plus 1, okay. As you can see, it prints the square of 1 to 100. Okay, now let's quickly recap. Here we used a for loop to iterate over a range of numbers and calculate the square of each. It's a fundamental concept in programming. Now, imagine you are running a race, but you decided to stop halfway. That's exactly what the break statement does in Python. It allows us to exit a loop permanently based on a certain condition. Okay, let's build a program that keeps asking for a student name until the user enter end. This is a common task in many applications. We will use a while loop to achieve this, but we will also introduce a break statement to exit the loop when we are done. Okay, as you might ask, we don't even know what is while or break. Okay, let's break into it. For break, we can write a code for x in range 100, print x. Okay, but we write a if x equal to 5, print high break. Okay, let's run it. As you can see, it's run until 5 and then broke the loop. But if we cut that, it's run 200. Okay, now let's make it run again. Let's write a thing here. As you might think, this code must run or don't run. As you can see, everything after the break, the condition break, don't run. Okay, what happened if we put break after print x? Break. After one run, the code ended. Okay, now you understand the concept of break very well. For the next session, as I say, let's build the program to keep asking for a student name until the users enter end. For this part, you must write like this. Okay, you must get input every line. How? For x in range, may think that the end range is 200,000 or I don't know, some number. Okay, x input name, and if x end print end. Okay, and break. Okay, and print x. Now let's run it. Oh, as you can see, we have some error. Where the error has occurred? Okay, we forget that. Let's run it again. Name Alex. Print Alex, but print end. As you can see, the code has ended. Okay, for the next session, you make this code to count the student's number. Create a variable that count the student number and print the student's number in the end. Okay, for your next exercise, I want you to create a simple quiz program. Ask the multiple choice questions. If they answer correctly, give them a point. If they answer incorrectly, end the quiz. and display their final score. This will help you practice using for loops, if statement, and the break statement. Okay, for next session you have 2 exercises. Do all of them. So in this episode we will learn about the break statement and how it can be used to control the flow of our for loops. Remember, practice is the key. So complete the exercise and I will see you in the next video. The second exercise, that the multiple program, you do it you have 2 days time to do it. Practice make perfect. Bye until tomorrow.